Hello guys, welcome back to Photographics Academy. All right, so I want to quickly show you how I will retouch this amazing beauty portrait using my Kumoo. Like, the picture is so fine and I'm very sure that Kumoo is going to give us a very nice result. But let's quickly get started and see how that works. So looking at the image, you will agree with me that the first thing we need to do is our blemish removal. But before we do that, let's play around with the color transfer a little. So we'll just go through images we'll have right here and see the one that will suit her color tone. So I think this is going to look very nice on her and this one as well. But let's just keep going. Even this over here is going to look so nice because of the similarity in theme and tone. So let's click on this and see how that is going to be applied on her image, especially in the terms of skin tone, right? Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that skin tone. Amazing. So I'm going to just tone things down a little to still maintain a little bit of her original skin and all of that, the before and the after, so we can work with that. Beautiful. So the first thing I want to do is my blemish removals. Turn on my acne and my moles for face and body, of course body blemishes as well. So that is taken care of already. I'm going to leave everything the same way, although my eye bag needed a little touch. My dark circle rather, wrinkles around eye, cheek lines and smile lines. I think I want that gone as well. Then reduce the lip lines just slightly to make it smooth. So once I'm done doing that, I will get straight down to I will also increase my face disfocus, okay, before I get into retouching, so that if in case we are losing focus, we can just be able to bring that back. Look at that texture. Beautiful. So right inside here, I'm going to do my frequency separation. I always like retaining some textures with my high frequencies. I'm going to be touching few other things to make sure I keep it intact. Then my scale refinement effect and my neutral gray leveling. Nice one. Look at the result. The before, the after. Then I'm going to increase my gray contour just a little bit. Nice. Then, of course, for my body, frequency separation for body, tone this up a little, like that. Nice. So this is what we have, the before, the after. Nice one. So this is it for the body, the before, the after. Amazing look we have right here. The job is practically almost done. Trust me, almost done. So every other thing we are doing now is just a little touch up here and there. So right inside my skin tone area, I'll just brighten up our skin tone a little and increase the general tone a little bit. Then with the let's see, we can combine two skin tones, the one we already have and maybe another one. Yeah, we'll dark this down a little, increase this too, so that we'll have uniform skin tone across the image. Nice one. Look at the way the image is looking. Amazing. So straight to my hair. Do we need to adjust the hair? No. My eye. Okay, so we just get into the eye, brighten up the eye a little bit and reduce the redness. Nice. So once that is done, we'll come to our glass flare. I think we are going to leave it like that. My catch light. Okay, so let's just create something for the catch light a little. Then down to my makeup area, very important. So I will enhance my eyebrow, enhance my eye makeup. So after enhancing all of that, right, we'll also enhance our lip. So let's enhance our shadow, our highlight, so that we'll get that dodge and burn effect. Then enhance our lip makeup and enhance our blush. Just like that, we are done with the retouch. Maybe we want to put a little lip gloss on her. I think we're actually good with what we have here, so we just work with this and we are sure of the results we have already. Look at the before, look at the after, look at the before, look at the after. So if you have other things you would want to adjust in your image, you might want to do that, but I think I am satisfied with the result that I have. Let me put it side by side for you so you can see exactly how much we've done so far. Look at that. Look at the amazing result we have here, the before, the after. Look at the before, look at the after. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. Do make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you subscribe, click on the notification bell to get notified every single time we'll drop a new video. Until then, see you on the next one.